Listing contents of a bucket with boto3. How can I see what's inside a bucket in S3 with boto3? I.e. do an ls? Doing the following. Returns. How do I see its contents?
One way to see the contents would be
This is similar to an ls, but it does not take into account the prefix folder convention and will list the objects in the bucket. It's left up to the reader to filter out prefixes which are part of the key name. In Python 2, in Python 3, I'm assuming you have configured authentication separately.
My S3 keys utility function is essentially an optimized version of Hephaestus's answer. In my tests, boto3 the 1st of September 1984, it's significantly faster than the equivalent, but simpler, code. As S3 guarantees UTF-8 binary sorted results, a start underscore after optimization has been added to the first function.
In order to handle large key listings, i.e. when the directory list is greater than 1000 items, I used the following code to accumulate key values, i.e. file names, with multiple listings, thanks to Emilio above for the first lines. Code is for Python 3.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.